Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick little project share with something that I was making for one of my clients. They commissioned me to make some candy bar wrappers, and so I'm just showing you what I use. I use the Voila red foil paper from the Dollar Tree. I use a couple dies. I use the Bow Bunny All Occasion Sentiments. I use the word celebrate in the single heart and the double heart. And I got this die set from TM Tuesday Morning. So right there, those three. I use some Michael's Recollections gold foil paper. And I use this Spellbinders Ribbon Tags Trio number 2. And this is the die that I used. I like it because I can thread the paper or ribbon behind it. In this case, I used paper. And so I'll show you what I did. Her colors were red, black, and gold. And her sister is the one who commissioned me to make it for her. So I did it right here, and so I know it's a little shiny. But there's the word celebrate, the double heart's a single heart, and I use a black strip under here on the back. My information, but it says one sweet person, last friend, smile, fun, good times, memories, ingredients, quarantine, celebration, life lessons and memories, and then the barcode, and it says happy birthday. I don't know if you can see that too well. Just covered up my phone number. So that was when the gold with the red. That's the terrible lighting. Sorry. You know, it's still reflective, so I apologize. And then I did it with the red strip under it and the black lettering. And again, the same thing on the back. All of them have the same backs. And then the other one, other design is a black matted with the red. That one is not as shiny, so you can kind of see that better. But those are the three, 2 golds and 1 black. But anyway, so she wanted me to make some of those candy bars. So I just wanted to share that. And I got another order for those bags. I had to make some of the bags. But anyway, so that was the candy bar order. So I just wanted to show you that. And I will be back with some of the other stuff that I was commissioned to do. Anyway, you can try these out. They're very simple, fun, and easy to do, and you can print your own labels and stuff like that as well. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.